Hello my dear champions, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. In this video I'll tell you about important questions for the chapter Inverse Trigonometric Functions for the point of view of FA-1. Okay, so let's look at these questions, second PUC Mathematics FA-1. Important questions to remember. So I'll give you 2, 3, 5 markers and at the last I'll tell you some of the MCQs also that you can follow to understand the trend of the question. Of course, MCQs are not that much fixed, like it's not very much we cannot predict it to that higher level, but we can understand the pattern of questions in MCQs. So I'll give you that as well. Okay, so let's start the session. Okay, so let's look at the subjective questions first. So these are some questions that I want you to solve and go prepared with. Okay, this is again the simplification of a question that find this value tan inverse of 1 cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. This type of question comes. So any question of this category will be solved using what? If you know the special angles and that odd functional property, that this property we have no cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse of x. This is for a function which is neither odd nor even, or for this type of function where sine inverse is minus x equals to minus sine inverse of x. So these properties if you remember, and if you remember the special angles, then you'll know how to find and solve these questions. Okay, similar question is 1 and 2. Okay, then this one is a little bit what you call again application of some more concepts but similar. So first three are very similar in nature. This is prove that question where you have to simplify one form to other form. Okay, so this is one category. You can again continue. This is also prove that question. Very common problem for 3 marker. Even this is very relevant for your boards PYQ as well. Okay, so this is a very good question where you have to use what? Take this as angle alpha beta, take the sum and solve it. Okay, and don't forget to refer my sessions where I'm going to solve all these questions in detail. So I am doing live marathons, right, for FA1, in which I am giving you solutions of all these type of questions. Okay, so please come and join that session to understand and how to solve the problem. So here I am giving you list of questions, but over there I will give you detailed solutions for all these problems. So come and attend that live. If you have missed it by any chance, then go and watch it again right now. Okay, and download the notes of each of these classes will be provided over here in your AIO, which is called as all in one page. You'll find all your notes PDF in the all in one page. Don't worry, I'll tell you how to access that as well. Just wait till the end of the video. Okay, this is also a very common question. These two are very similar in nature. Both of these are in the board 3 marker. Over here it can be varied as well, right? Okay, now let's look at these 3 more questions based upon identities of trigonometric functions, right? Tan inverse of 1 minus x, this is the formula of tan inverse of a minus b. This is also a question where you divide by cos, becomes the same formula. Okay, and this is where you put x value as what? It is root of 1 plus x. You're going to use substitution of, in this case 1 will be what? Sin square plus cos square, x will be what? 2 sin x cos x by 2. You can, okay, that you cannot use over here. This will be 1 plus x cos, no? So you can use this as x equals to cos 2 theta wala case. Okay, this you can use 1 plus cos 2 theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta. There's an identity for that. Remember, 1 plus cos 2 theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta. Again, I'm telling you, I'm not giving you answers over here. For answers and for detailed analysis of all these type of questions, join my marathons of FA1. Okay, you'll find the playlist in our channel, so go and check it out. We have already shared all the schedule in our WhatsApp channel as well, so you'll find from there as well. So if you have missed out on subscribing to our channel or WhatsApp channel, join both of them right now. Okay, and for PDFs, simply get the PDF for all the sessions in AIO all in one page. Okay, I'll tell you about that. So this was all your 2 and 3 markers, 5 markers subjective questions. Let's look at your 1 marker problems. Okay, so 1 marker questions, again questions of domain and range. This means all 6 functions are there, no, all 6 ITF. In all 6 ITF, this kind of question can be asked. See, first 2 are very similar in nature. This is also, this all of these you can see, all the 3 of you, this is based upon what? Domain and range table. This is a question of simplifying this again with the help of principal value branch. Understand that, and means write 7 pi by 6 as pi plus pi by 6 and you can solve it later. Okay, moving on, again these 2 more questions. This one 4th and 5th is very similar in nature. This is based upon the identity of trigonometric functions. Okay, this is also a very simple and very common questions. Even in KCET they ask this problem, so very good problem. Please solve this and go through this carefully. Okay, again this is also a statement based question, so sometimes they do prefer statement based question or some reason in the exam, so I have given you that also to practice. So even though we cannot predict that MCQs up to that accuracy, but we can predict the type of questions. That's why I've given you these types. At least please follow these questions as well. Okay, and this is about your AIO page. I'm going to repeat again. This is called as all in one page. Okay, in this you'll find every lecture. What is this? This is a free platform, free classroom experience provided by Vedantu, so that what you can do over here, you get access to, you know, a real classroom experience, right, for free. Usually you have to pay a very huge amount of fee to get that experience, but over here we have provided you all this for free. How can you access that? So this is one of my, you know, session that has gone, FA-1 Marathon Maths, where I've covered matrices, determinant and continuity and differentiability. So if you check any of the sessions, actually, not only this, any session you take in the live or any recorded session, you'll find over here something called as join free. Please check here, join free second PUC 2027 course, free course. Please check join free course. There will be a link provided. So in any video, you go and check the description. There will be a link provided for this free second PUC 2027 course. If you click on the link given over here, something like this will open for you. Okay, this is your platform of all-in-one. Okay, simply you will go to the platform, click on buy now. It will not be any charge, simple. It will cost you 0 rupees, don't worry. And you have to create a login credentials. You have to create login credentials. What is the meaning of this? Means you have to create a, you know, whichever phone number is active, that phone number just to, you know, refer for password or OTPs. And with you create, once you create that, you will get the this particular free course added to your login ID, and then you can access entire thing, schedule, past sessions, upcoming classes, all this will be given over here. You'll find everything, even alongside the class, you'll find the notes also over there. You're still working on it and making it more and more better and user friendly for you, but it's already very, very good. We have been using it for a long time, but we have decided to give you for free. So please don't forget to check your all-in-one page. How to access it? Any video you go, you have to click on join the free second PUC course. Okay, then click on that, the free course version, and this page will come. Again, register using and create a login credential. Once you register, you can start accessing with the same login IDs and OTP or password, whichever you are creating. Got it? So this is how you should access the files, your notes, your PDFs, and even the lectures you can attend over the platform only. So what happens on YouTube if you're learning? Sometimes you might get distracted, but over there it will be completely focused and it will be an online classroom experience. So please go and you can learn directly from there. So that's all I had to say in this particular session. If you have already liked the class, good. If you have missed out on subscribing to our channel, do not do that. Subscribe to our channel and be a part of what we are doing over here, because I'm telling you very with surety that it will certainly help you prepare in the best way for your examinations. Okay, that's all in the session. I'll see you in the next class. Till then, all the best. Keep working hard. Bye bye.